Science has proven that stress can be much more than an inconvenience. Stress can suppress our immune systems and exacerbate health issues. In fact, too much stress over long periods of time can lead to disease and even death. There are many ways to lower stress levels that do not include frequent trips to the pharmacy or your local narcotics trafficker. Taking up relaxing hobbies like knitting or crocheting, listening to music, dancing, laughing, or simply reading can help reduce stress to safe levels. Putting the body into a relaxed state will aid it in healing itself. Marijuana is the most well-known herbal relaxant, but nature wouldn't only give us one plant to fight health issues. Peppermint, spearmint, lemon balm, catnip, catmint, chamomile, mugwort, lavender, ginger, and even okra can help reduce stress. And all the plants I mentioned can be grown in your own backyard. If you don't have a backyard, you can grow plants like ginger, peppermint, and spearmint indoors on a sunny windowsill. Stress may kill, but herbs may heal. I'm your natural mystic medicine man reporting for Natural Medicine News. Peace and guidance.